Hello YouTube authors, I'm here to talk about something that's really going to help out your overall credibility as a writer. BH Blankenship here. Of course, what I'm talking about this time, it's a matter of research. Yeah, it's kind of one of those not fun, sexy sounding words that you really picture when you work as a writer, but it is absolutely necessary. There's a lot of people out there, and if you try to fake it until you make it, they can tell the difference. So if you're writing a situation where the characters are in a hospital, or they're in more your fantasy setting in a blacksmith shop, or whatever they are, whatever they're doing, it helps actually somewhat know what you talk about. And you're going to find out that, if you're not already an expert, by doing research. Yeah, time-consuming research. It's not really the most fun thing to do. I mean, you still learn a lot of good things when you're doing that, and learning is always a wonderful thing. But in your end product, the results are worth it. Often when I write, I'll have tabs open, 2 or 3 other tabs, where I have research specifically. So let's say, for instance, I'm researching the process of forging a sword. So I will not only by this point have watched several blacksmithing videos on YouTube, hey YouTube, awesome job, but I'll also have other tabs open, kind of going more into the process, keywords, jargon kind of thing, just something to help give me a better feel of what I'm trying to write. Same works for, going back to an earlier example, hospitals. If you have a character that's a doctor and they're talking about something medical, it helps you have actual medical reference. It is such a vital tool to have, and if you are not utilizing it whenever you have such easy access to it, that's on you. In this day and age, you really have no excuse not to do your homework. We have access to the internet, world of information at our fingertips. And yeah, being a writer, no, there is a little bit of creative license when it comes to things, but when something is grounded in reality, you need to be more aware of what that reality is. Alright, that wraps up this video. I'm gonna sign out here. Hello again, just a quick reminder that if you found this video helpful, informative, you want to watch more of them, I do have a subscribe button here. I have other videos you can watch. You can leave your comments below, share the video, any of that good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one.